Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by getting the maps and power you'll need. First, open your mapping app and download the offline tile set for the entire route, include nearby detours. Once done, fully charge your phone and pack a 10,000 mAh power bank. This prevents mid-route dead batteries. Also print a paper map or save a PDF. Make a light pencil mark at your start. These steps keep you mobile and resilient without internet. Now you orient and mark the path. Use a compass to find true north, then rotate your paper or phone map until north aligns. This makes directions predictable. Next, measure distances using the map scale and plan breaks every 3 to 5 kilometers to manage pace and battery. Once aligned, mark waypoints and estimated arrival times on the paper map or the app's note field. This helps you stick to the plan and avoid unnecessary detours. Finally, navigate with bearings and landmarks while conserving power. Walk using the bearing from your map and check recognizable landmarks. Recheck your position every 15 to 30 minutes so errors don't compound. Conserve battery, lower screen brightness, enable airplane mode, and use GPS bursts rather than continuous tracking. If something goes wrong, stop immediately, orient the map with your compass, and backtrack to the last known waypoint. This reliable trouble.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.